Hello friends, today we discuss about clusters in LabVIEW. For this, first create a new VI, and over here we have different clusters in this. Like this is a blank cluster. As you see, a cluster is a combination of different types of element. Like first I put a numeric control in this, then I put a boolean switch in this, then I put a string control in this. Using this you can fit control pane to the whole window, or you can fit your size like auto sizing size to fit. Okay, or you can arrange horizontally or vertically as your requirement. So this is a input cluster, and I just increase, or I just copy this and change it to an indicator, and you can connect these. So this is a input cluster and this is the output cluster. There is a basic difference between input and output cluster. The background is white in this case, the input cluster, and when grayed it is a output cluster. So this is the how you can create a cluster in LabVIEW, and in this you can also reorder your controls in cluster. So right now this is at 0 position, this is at 1 position, and this is at 2 position. So as I change the position, like right now the position of string is 0 and the position of numeric is 1 and the position of boolean is 2, and when I check on this, this array is broken in that case. So as you see, because in this case input is string and its output is numeric, so there is a difference, and in this case input is numeric and the output is boolean, and in this input is boolean and output is string, so it is not possible. So that's why over here we have broken arrow in this case. So you can remove this by changing the reordering of this, like as I put this 0 position, and when I click on this it is becomes normal wire, or VI is, there is no error in our VI. So this is how you can create a cluster in LabVIEW. Thank you.